I wonder if this will pick it up, guys, but I just want to show the suspension here. That's what that's doing. Aftermarket suspension was squeaking. Redwood told me to use some grease, marine grade. This is marine grade grease right here. I got it from O'Reilly, and I just spread that all up onto the shaft over here, all the way to the bump stop, all the way to the top shaft. And what I'm going to also do is spray all the any rubber bushings of any kind that are around here with this awesome formula from learned from, of course, Mr. Scotty himself, AT205 Reseal. This thing reconditions. I got a little spray bottle from the dollar store. Fill that up with it. Spray here. Put that spray bottle in there and just deliberately well, anything with a rubber bushing. Squirt, 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 squirt. In there, squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt. Anything down here, squirt, squirt in that bushing. And then the squeaks should stop. All right, so I just poured the AT205 in the spray bottle right here. And like I said, oh, and I already put up the rubber, what do you call it, the dust boot around there. Put another zip tie on there so this doesn't get on it. And like I said, any rubber joint area right here, just like, I mean, you deliberately spray that with that, wet it. See, there's some more joints here. Set it, wet it, and forget it. More. Yeah, it's okay if it gets on the general components and stuff, but you know, let's see, where's that other one right here? Yeah, there's one right here. And then there's one on the knuckle over here. Yep. And that's it. So those are all the joints over here. The joints and parts. Oh, there's one more. The deep end. There we go. And then, yeah. So that's it. And then the noise, in theory, should be stopping. See if I can catch this now. And he's squeaking. Okay, so I'm gonna try to press on the suspension. More squeaking. No more squeaking from both sides. I did it on both sides, just to let you know. I did it on that rear side as well. It's noisy. It's noisy on both sides. Yeah, feels pretty repaired now. Excellent.